grew up in Torrance, so I see a lot of patients that are in the neighborhood that I've known throughout the years in terms of their families. I love going to the beach. I grew up swimming at Hermosa Beach and Manhattan Beach and still go there in the summers. All three of my boys were part of the junior lifeguard program there, so the ocean is an active part of our life as a family. I come from a family in medicine. My father is an anesthesiologist. He used to work at Torrance Memorial in the 1970s. My mother was a labor and delivery nurse in the 1960s. My younger brother's an emergency room physician, so we kind of grew up in the field of medicine. So I was a professor of medicine at UCLA for many years, where I taught the art of medicine to residents and medical students. A lot of the physicians practicing out in the neighborhood in Southern California, especially in LA County, were trained by me at the different residency programs that they rotated through. So I think that's very important. It's one thing to have something written in a book on how to treat a patient, but the reality is your patient is different than what the book might say. And using your experience to figure out what the best treatment and evaluation for your given patient is, very important. Today I practice that same art of medicine with my patients here at Torrance Memorial Physician Network, which is fantastic. We have a close collaboration with all the specialists in the city of Torrance, and it really is a wonderful place to work in terms of working with colleagues as well as your patients. I love taking care of patients who may have had a problem that was impairing their life in some way, and being able to come up with a way of treating that problem and getting that patient back on their feet and getting them back to what they find important in their lives and fun to do in their lives. And that has impacted us all in our practice, and we've just all tried to come together as providers, as doctors, nurses, healthcare staff, to really treat our patients to the best of our ability. Even though COVID is out there, we still need to make sure our patients' health is being taken care of. My name is Dr. Rumi Cader, and I'm a specialist in internal medicine.